Okay, listen, this is layers of tape I'm pulling out of the ceiling. So you see these cracks here? They've been repaired and repaired and repaired. There's another layer of tape right here. So I've already pulled out one repair. Here's another repair. This has been repaired 2 or 3 times already, right? Because it needed a control joint. The ceiling needed a control joint, and they keep trying to fix the bullet hole with a Band-Aid. So they keep trying to repair these cracks whenever they needed a control joint. I cannot tell you how many times I've walked in a house and they've said, hey, can you repair these cracks? And I tell them, no, I can't. I can put a control joint in and repair the cracks, but I'm not just going to repair the cracks, because you can repair it until you're blue in the face. They're going to keep coming back. So that's where I'm at right now. I have to remove the layers of repairs, and that's why I'm here right now. I've got the control joint in now. If I can get to the original cracks, get to the original problem, I can repair this now and not have it come back. But my guys, look at the mess. Look at the amount of work. And had the first guy just said, no, I can't repair it. This room's too big. It needs a control joint. I wouldn't even be here right now. They wouldn't have this expense right now. This wouldn't be a problem. So look at the room. If it's a gigantic room and you've got some weird crack coming across, look to see if it needs a control joint. Just because it's going to save so much work and so many problems in the long run. Okay, look really closely here. You know there's a crack underneath that tape that we can't get off. Whoever taped that did really good. There's a crack on this side of the tape, and there's a crack on this side of the tape. All because it needed that. So they fixed it, cracked on the other side. Fixed that, cracked on the other side. So this just kept cracking. And what they needed to do was stop trying to fix the crack and fix the problem. So problem solved. We'll get this fixed up now. We'll get this taped up. It's not going to come back now because of this. It's going to look beautiful. For as long as I live. I'm dying next week. Hey, if you really like this video, subscribe. And if you really, really like this video, share it with somebody else. You have a great day.